Okay, so this is what the dollhouse looks like now in January 2021. Some of the rooms are partially put together. A lot of them are just big piles of stuff. And we haven't done all of the decorating of the walls and the floor. So up here we have storage area. So we have the doll bed and then a bunch of dolls. This is the bathroom. It has the most pieces probably. The My Life As bathroom set, the salon chair, the Target bathtub, and the salon caddy. This is the bedroom that has the most stuff in it. It has a fuzzy rug and then some end tables and things and a bed. This is the baby's bedroom. This is the replica Courtney's bed I made. And they also have a fuzzy carpet and other toys. This is a game room that's sort of a mess right now. It's got Julie's pinball machine and basketball hoop, and then a bunch of Courtney's stuff, so it's a 70s, 80s game room. But there's not really any decorations. Hardly at all. This is another storage room. Everything's just kind of in here, piled in here. This is where I moved stuff when I didn't know where to put it. I don't know what this room's gonna be yet. This is another bedroom. Really, it's just the bed and the carpeting and a side table. And then it has a cool glass wall that shows you the kitchen, which is a mess. It is the Our Generation kitchen, plus the American Girl gardening table, which works as a good baking table, and then a bunch of random stuff all over the floor. And then this is our store, which is also a mess, but there's the pink thing is mostly for shoes that spins, and then we have different grocery items on the shelf, and then bins of toys. So that's that. And the cool part about this floor and this floor, this actually comes out. So you can go to the playroom and back in, or to the store and back to the kitchen. So that's it. That's the beginning of the dollhouse. 3 packs, wardrobes with the different shelves as dividers. Those are the pull-out shelves, and then the glass shelf. And then the lights are all wired. They're not battery. They're from Amazon. They're LED puck lights. And so that's it. So we need to show another video. I'll make another video to show what it looks like when it's decorated some more.